So one of the things that you can utilize Claude AI for is for technical support. Let's say, for example, you cannot find something on your Windows Start menu. You can simply go ahead and say, I cannot see anything on my Windows Start menu when I go to search. Let's say, for example, right here. So you can go ahead and do this, or you can go ahead and attach out a screenshot as well so Claude can analyze. But anyways, let me just go ahead and send this and let's see what it actually does. So it says here are some common fixes for Windows Start menu which is not showing results. So it says restart Windows services. Press Windows R, type services.msc and hit enter. And it says restart via task manager as well, just like this. So whatever problem you have, you can actually go ahead and then simply say it out right here. So you can go ahead and say, I tried the first 3 steps, but no luck right here. Let's say, for example, so if I were to go ahead and say that, then what happens is that it says, let's go deeper. Try these next, rebuild the search index, PowerShell fix, and so forth. So whatever technical problem you have, if you have something like, let's say, for example, that's bothering you, you can actually go ahead and utilize Claude as a technical support, and it gives you detailed instructions and support right here. Let's say, for example, if you want to try out step 6, you can say, I want to try this, but I am a layman, guide me in detail. So you can even go ahead and say this and it'll go ahead and give you everything in detail. So it says, here's the step-by-step guide. So it says open task manager. That is hold down control and shift keys, press escape, a window called task manager and will pop up and so forth. So this is basically how you can go ahead and get technical support as you like in Claude AI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.